I think she's very excited. Yeah, see?
I'm Muhammad Ruzaini and this is my wife.
Elliyana, and these are my two kids, Iza and Ria. When we first installed the vinyl, I already have some gaps. It was okay until my son came along. He knows how to bathe himself. Then he started throwing water outside and the water seeped into the vinyl and now it popped up. We want something different that is more water resistant so that it won't get damaged easily after my toddler take a bath. So we came by in the afternoon. So when we reached there were a lot of designs. So we were scared that we cannot choose one or like so many. We know we wanted something dark, so we focus on that first. Then we see the design, and then the staff were there to help us choose also. So we ended up choosing black tone with tinge of white. We want the kids to grow up comfortably where we can rest and we can grow up together and mostly, but importantly, grow up safely. I really love the new look. It's like more dark, which is perfect for resting. I love the gradient, the black and white, Oh, so nice. Can go out from the toilet without worrying about the water, so it's nice. I can leave them alone now when I clean, so like I'm not worried that they will hurt themselves. Yeah. Decluttering, definitely. Moving my toddler's bed into his own room so he can have more space inside the room. Oh, thank you for choosing us as the winners, and we really appreciate everything.